The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
Cleaning your gutters prevents winter temperatures and excessive rain from causing problems and preventing costly and untimely repairs. Gutters should be cleaned twice a year, but if you live near a lot of trees or at a high elevation, you may need to clean the gutters more frequently. Here are a few safety tips to consider. Use a sturdy, high-quality ladder. Always have someone hold the ladder to help ensure the stability and to be a safety buddy. Make sure to maintain 3 points of contact while going up and down the ladder. Inspect the gutters ahead of time to ensure there are no animals nested inside. Wear eye protection and gloves when cleaning. And remember, if you don't feel comfortable doing the job, you can hire a professional to do it for you.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.